ಅವು ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನೋ ಒಪ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇದಾರೆ, ಸೆರೆಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಇದಾರೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮದ್ವೆನ ಅಂತ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು. ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ 306 ಮೆಲಾಡ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಸೂಸೈಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲ. 306ಗೆ ದ ಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಲಾಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆಲಾಡ್ ದ incitement has to be ಮೆಲಾಡ್ that direct. It should be with an intention to ಮೆಲಾಡ್ cause the death. Otherwise, every case of suicide, my lord, will become a 306. There has to be, my lord, intention to get the victim killed. In that particular direction, my lord, there has to be, my lord, abetment. Then, my lord, the fructification of that abetment should be strong. The intention to fructify that abetment.
The suicide aglebeku.
Allah, I understand that, my lord. But the law is, my lord, well settled. My lord, any number of judgments. Even, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has gone to the extent of saying, even uttering words,
go and die
will not still amount to 306. I understand, my lord, if there was any remote evidence at least, but that this accused had intended to see her death. Otherwise, my lord, every case of post-marital, my lord, death, I very well understand, my lord, the sentiments of the victim, my lord, the parents, that they must have lost a life. But it does not mean that, my lord, every case the husband has to be, my lord, roped in as an accused, made to make him face a trial of, my lord, for 306. Kindly see, my lord, only one, my lord, area which I would take your lordships, my lord, two persons give statement. Mother and father, both of them would unequivocally say that this is all that happened. That kindly, my lord, have page number 86. She would, my lord, repeat what she said in the complaint. Kindly, my lord, see page number 86, the last paragraph. ಗಗನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಾನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯುವಂತ ತನಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಕಿರುಕುಳ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. My lord, all these things is improvement. Kindly see, my lord, the first complaint, what she says on page number 20. Father, my lord, would say this. Please see, my lord, page number 20 and 21. On page number 21, my lord, the first paragraph, 4 lines from the bottom. ಸಂಗೀತಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಾಗಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಆದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಗನ್ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕಿರುಕುಳದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವೆಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮನಿದ್ದರು. ಕಳೆದ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಗಗನ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ವಿಚಾರ ತಿಳಿದು ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆವು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆವು. ಸುಮಾರು 15 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗಗನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಾಗಿ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದರು. ಆಗ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದ ಕಾರಣ ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 12 ಗಂಟೆಯ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಗನ್ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರು, ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಿ. ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ nobody is the witness to this. This is all, my lord. How can, my lord, somebody be roped in for an offense under 306, my lord? The density of 306, my lord, it's the density, my lord, the strength of the offense, my lord, though it might carry lesser punishment, it's as good as a murder, my lord. My lord, to put someone to face a trial for 306, there has to be strong evidence.
Come to page 27.
I shall. Page 27, my lord, is the column number 7.
Yes.
My lord, ದಿನಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುವುದು, all these things, I understand that. My lord, these are all, this could per se amount to, my lord, cruelty, mental cruelty. I understand that, my lord. Not talking, even, my lord, not respecting the wife, all these things could amount to cruelty.
What to do, sir? You have driven the wife to the wall.
My lord, but driving the wife, kindly see, my lord, one moment, my lord, I am instructed to show this, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, page number 63, this is the charge sheet material. Kindly see, my lord, what she would do every time. Only one moment, my lord, may my lord request for your lordship's attention on page number 63, my lord.
63, yeah.
63. She used to call, my lord, her husband with thought of love as Kapperaya. She has saved her name also, his name also as Kapperaya only. Now the parents want to make me a Gube. That's all the difference is. Kindly see, my lord, what has happened. ಹೋದ್ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಮಲಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 63 ಮಲಾಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಹೋದ್ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಾಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೂರನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಕಟ್ಕೊ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ದ ನಾಟ್, ದ ನೂಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಲಾಟ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೈ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೈ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೈ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಬೇರೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು, ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಸಲ ನಾನು ಗಂಟು, ಈ ಸಲ ಸತ್ತೇ ಸಾಯ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. And the pictures, kindly see, my lord, the affinity between them. Can this be said, my lord, harassment? Let them take instructions. This is a matter, my lord, for argument, my lord, because repeatedly these kind of complaints are coming. Rope in for 306, 306, 306.
Repeatedly where?
Every, not in my case, my lord, in my case, this is only 306. My lord, quite often we see that just because somebody kills herself, my lord, with great respect, my lord, would it per se amount to an offense under 306?
The only thing is, the link in the chain of events and the proximity should not be lost for you to be bought into this. That is all. See, you being the husband or whatever it is, the explanation is found in column number 7.
Yes, my lord, yes.
With this, very difficult to interpret.
I understand that, my lord.
If it were somebody else, an outsider,
I understand.
you are in live-in relationship, is it?
We in fact, my lord, had ceremoniously married. Those pictures are there.
Ceremoniously?
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಾಳಿ ಗೀಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅದು ಅವರೇ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And why did you unceremoniously cancel everything?
I did not cancel. We went to sub-registrar's office. Sub-registrar asked for certain documents. We did not have. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ.
Went from sub-registrar office to sub-registrar office.
ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್, ನೀವು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದ್ ನಮ್ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ನಾವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಮೈ fault is. And the next day, or my lord, soon after, my lord, in the very short succession, she would commit suicide. And my lord, the moot point, I would, my lord, I would take your lordships to, my lord, only one, my lord, legal questions that may have to be answered. My lord, I would go to this level. Lord, tomorrow if I stand trial, I might even, my lord, stand proved for an offense of matrimonial harassment, mental cruelty, physical cruelty. Meeting mental cruelty, physical cruelty.
There you will escape because 304 we ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ, if one kills herself, can that be, my lord, called as abetment? Abetment, my lord, in clear words, the Honorable Supreme Court says abetment should have the mens rea to see somebody's death. The entire, my lord, background action should be such that it intends that one wants another to be killed. Instead of he killing, he would make somebody kill themselves. My lord, this is all, my lord, the abetment to commit suicide is. That component is lacking. At least, my lord, I am fine with, my lord, they bringing some other charges against me. I am still answerable for that. My lord, only charge that is ಅದು ಒಂದೇ 306. I will be standing trial for something which I have not.
216 invoke ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ, let the state respond to this. My lord, this is a legal question which may be useful for, my lord, many in future. My lord, on this, Karnataka High Court judgments are very limited.
Is limited. I have rendered 10 sir, Sandesh Chota sir.
ಇದಾರೆ, but ಈ ತರದ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, when only 2 witnesses say something which does not say anything about the abetment.
There are 5 judgments of him.
I know in this matter, Sandesh
go and die andre he will.
ಹೌದು,
he has 5 judgments.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Last ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, my lord, 128, page number 128. Nimahans, my lord, certifies, it's a charge sheet material. Nimahans certifies that she always had this kind of, my lord, syndrome.
Was she a patient in Nimahans?
Yes, kindly see, my lord, page number 128.
Let's see. Ella note.
I am housewife, so
yes,
in this background.
The WhatsApp chat which my learned friend read, Lordship can see the timings of those chats and see that is the reason for committing the suicide is one of that. He is not even coming home and leaving her alone in the house and locking her and etc. May your lordship also see page number 90, my lord, CW5, the neighbor, and CW6, who is the owner of the house, also spoken about the number of fight which was happening in the house.
Well, I don't disagree all these things.
Then over, sir.
Well, and me not coming late.
Pressed your case there.
Well,
If you don't
me
disagree,
not coming home. Can this be a reason?
not
for
coming
my lord?
home.
Can this
You
be
said
not-
I don't disagree with whatever is
La,
said.
la, la. Alla, my lord, I am, my lord, for argumento. My lord, if I am coming late home, my lord,
Sir, even if you say,
men coming late home, my lord, abetment to commit suicide. My lord, then men will come under, my lord, a very serious threat.
don't
factor.
worry, men will be
Then,
men.
my lord, now onwards, I'll have to, my lord, realign myself going home.
you go late, is it?
If the argument of my learned friend has to be accepted, my lord, all we lawyers will not go. Only when the next day morning he's about.
I think all lawyers do that.
Lawyer's life is like that, my lord. Now, if Jagdish says coming home
Do
late,
you go in the wee hours of the morning?
yeah.
Yes.
My lords may kindly have this matter, my lord. My lord, I'll place some judgments, then I'll leave it.
Some way, I'll give you 10 just now.
ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. My lords may kindly have it on the book. So sometimes next week, my lord, I'll place some judgment.
Ram Sundar sir, kashta ide. It's not as easy as you.
I do understand, my lord, but I'll just show, my lord, some judgment that what would, my lord, form the basis for abetment. Some cases, my lord, may be exactly similar to this. That's the reason. My lord. That's all the indulgence which
I have rendered one judgment.
My lord, I'll deal with your lordship's judgment also, my lord. I'll make an
It
effort.
is 4851 of 2021 rather.
I'll, my lord, look into that. I'll, my lord, look into
Disposed on 22 to 2024.
I envy your lordship's memory.
That is David.
David.
The go and die case.
Do go on die case.
I've considered the entire law up to 2024. So you will not find judgment
I'll
after
not
that.
have to labor much.
After that, you won't find any judgment.
I'll, my lord, I'll try to, my lord, depend on your
But
lordship's judgment.
this is an exception.
I'll try to, my lord, show to your lordship's, my lord, this might come within that bracket.
This would come within what the apex court has held in is Mahendra versus State of Karnataka.
Mahendra, that judgment I saw, my lord. That was, in fact,
So that's 2022 1 SCC page 129. Mahendra.
yes. But some protection, my lord, required for the husbands at least, my lord, and everything has to be termed
Tracking a
as
wrong court, sir. Protection for the husbands in this court.
My lords have protected husbands also. My lord, I can cite any number of judgments of your
I
lordship.
have when there is gross misuse or abuse.
I have one, my lord, coming up after 5 matters, my lord. I'll try to please your lordship. So my lords may kindly have
Oh,
it
you are
sometime.
laying a foundation for that matter. Let's see.
That's
Yes.
a classic case. My lords may
Learned
kindly have it
HCGP
sometime next
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
week.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಂದರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ because there is proximity to the incident and you are the only person who was with her.
ಹೌದು, ಹೌದು.
If somebody else was there, it's a different thing. See, the psyche of human mind, you can't be sure of how. It's an enigma still, but you can't be sure what happens where. So because you're the only person who was in touch with her or control with her or whatever it is, no other person can be blamed for this. That's the only place where I'm just telling you what is running in my mind. You have to search something towards that.
I think this expression my lords may have to use in one of the judgments so that, my lord, it remains on the books. Human mind is an enigma.
Right, I have in that judgment, in
I will,
fact,
my lord, then
4851.
I'll look into that. I'll look into it. It's
It's
a great simile.
It's unfathomable because
No,
it's impossible to know what runs in a human mind.
We ourselves don't know what we
For
conjure.
someone to commit suicide, to what you drive someone to the wall and it results in a suicide, you can't know at all. That is why any amount of trial sometimes will not unearth the truth. But let's see, it's circumstance. You are the only person at that.
I know.
Outsiders I would have stayed it immediately because 306 I definitely stay because that also has become a tool of misuse.
Tool of misuse.
But here, little.
Next week, my lord, I'll try to, my lord, show from the charge sheet, then I'll leave it to your lordship.
No.
I'll just plead it and I'll leave it to your lordship.
Then we'll issue notice next week only.
Yes.
Yes, next week. Heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shyam Sundar appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on 14th?
14th.
Yes.